What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade almond butter. Almond butter is one of those things that's great to have in your pantry. And the best thing about this recipe is it's so easy to put together. In 30 minutes or less, you're gonna have the best almond butter. And it's gonna be great because you made it yourself at home. All you need is one ingredient, which are your almonds, and then a food processor or a blender, a high-speed blender if you have one. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to leave us a comment if you guys ended up making your own almond butter at home. Let's get into the video.